Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you can't upload a video clip or a screenshot to Twitter on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. Now this is a very simple little trick to go ahead and fix this issue. So if I press the PlayStation button, and then I go on down to where it says downloads/uploads, and I select this. Now, you may have a bunch of errors on here under the upload section. And what we want to do is go to the upload section, press options on everything in this section here, and go to cancel and delete by pressing X on it. And then cancel and delete everything under this section. Then press the share button and then go to your video clip and share the video clip once again. So if I make a video and then go to my most recent gameplay here and share it to Twitter, it should go ahead and work now. And it will be under your upload section and it will instantly start uploading as opposed to sitting in a queue or not working. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.